Okay, so I've done a small experiment with my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. One additional purchase that I've done, that is the DJI Mic Mini, and in which I got two microphones. Right now one is in my helmet and the other one I have stuck besides the engine. And mic के साथ magnets भी आया था and नीचे एक metal rod भी है. So I've stuck my microphone over there. I'm very scared. This is an experiment. I hope the mic doesn't just fall off while riding. I really hope it goes well. Let's start the engine and this is how it's going to sound.
A few inches later.
Let's see if things work, then I'll be the happiest person. And obviously all this experiment that I'm doing is because I'm a freaking sound engineer. And मैंने दो mic इसीलिए लिए कि second वाला I'll stick it near the engine or something like that, and I'll get a really good engine sound. And I was first of all very scared to do this experiment. Obviously there's a wireless mic just attached somewhere, and again like मेरा तो मतलब अगर अपने रोड्स तो एकदम भाई अमेजिंग है, उसमें अगर झटका वटका लग गया, माइक हिल गया, माइक गिर गया, तो इट बी सो लेट्स जस्ट से एक्सपेंसिव एंड हार्ट ब्रेकिंग फॉर मी. एंड वो माइक भी इतना छोटा सा है एंड फ्रेजाइल भी है, तो इवन इफ अ टायर गोज ओवर इट, आई मतलब गया, माइक को टाटा बाय बाय बोल दो. बट स्टिल चलो, नेगेटिव थॉट्स को थोड़ा साइड में रखते हैं. आई होप this is going to work for me. So let's see for the day. So I don't really know how exactly are you guys able to listen to the engine sound that my mic is capturing. But I must say, this is the sweetest sounding engine I have ever gotten an opportunity to ride. That's for sure. I mean, my first motorcycle was the FCS and its engine was also smooth sounding, and the exhaust was also really good. But this engine sounds like a big motorcycle. It does not sound like a single cylinder. It sounds like, I don't know, maybe a twin or a sports twin or something like that, but it sounds so premium, I can say. Oh god, whatever Hero has done with their engine, hats off to the engineering team. Great sounding, great going, and so well refined. Personally, I am not the fan of the exhaust note, because it's like for me, whatever motorcycles I have ridden so far, the engine sound and the exhaust sound are always in unison. They complement each other. They add up to something. They sound like they are from the same family. I loved how my previous Apache RTR 200 sounded. The engine and the exhaust was so good that it made you want to ride harder. It had that grunt, it had that bass, not too much, but it was not sweet as well. It was rough, it was raw, and it was encouraging enough so that you will ride harder and faster. And the more faster you ride, the exciting the engine and the exhaust used to sound, and it used to generate the right feelings in your head just by hearing the sounds. This engine sounds so much better, but the exhaust sounds completely different. It's nowhere close to it. It's like it's not even from the same family. It's पता नहीं यार, मुझे बहुत weird लगता है इसका ये exhaust sound वाला feeling आता है. I don't like it. And it's like they're two different entities trying to prove a point. And for me the engine is a clear winner. इससे बेहतर इंजन साउंडिंग गाड़ी मैंने नहीं चलाई है.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
If I ever get to ride it, I will for sure update my database. But one thing I've observed, if I am with a pillion, the pillion kind of hides that exhaust sound from me, because there is one barrier that comes between my ears and the exhaust, right? So lower res पे तो obviously सुनाई देता है, no doubt. But once you get in the mid range, the exhaust kind of fades away when there is a pillion. सोलो राइड कर रहा हूँ तो नहीं भाई, एग्जॉस्ट तो फुल ब्लोन सुनाई देता है, क्योंकि वो बाजू में ही है, मतलब काफ़ी ऊपर भी है ना एग्जॉस्ट. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स देयर इज़ नो बैरियर और सम सॉर्ट्स इन बिटवीन मी एंड द एग्जॉस्ट. बाकी मोटरसाइकिल्स का कैसा एग्जॉस्ट नीचे रहता है, सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ फर्दर अवे. So it doesn't disturb you or distract you, because the exhaust is sounding a certain way and for some reason it is louder in my ears. I can't really enjoy the engine sound that this motorcycle is making. But whenever I get to hear it, I'm like, oh, so good.
Nice.
I really hope that the mic is doing justice to the engine. Personally, देखो जो ऑनलाइन अभी ये एग्जॉस्ट नोट वाले वीडियोस डालता है ना, personally I do not like it, because what your ear is hearing, the mic is not hearing the same way. The mic that are used to record exhaust notes are not studio grade mics, obviously. They are consumer mics. So they have a lot of sonic limitations. It is not going to capture exactly what you're hearing. It's going to compromise on a lot of things. It's going to give you a sound. Or maybe those mics are, how can I put this? Yeah, they are catered to be sensitive towards your vocal frequencies. Your voice is a priority for such kind of microphones. The lavalier microphones बोल सकते हैं, फिर लेपल microphones है, जो भी तुम छोटा वाला microphone use करते हो ना, the microphone that they are using to record the exhaust note, it is not doing justice to the engine and the exhaust. So whenever I see a video saying this is motorcycle exhaust note, I just skip, because I know this is not going to be the same thing at all. And obviously a lot of people who tend to see this video and then go to the showroom, there is no correlation between the sound that you heard online and the sound that you are actually hearing while you're riding the motorcycle. So if you really want to experience the exhaust, go take a test ride. I would just say that, because test ride is going to reveal a lot of things about the exhaust and the engine.
A few moments later.
I hope the mic experiment has gotten successful. This is where I've made in the microphone and engine to एकदम ये देखिए, दिस इज द माइक. फोकस पे है क्या? यहाँ पे अंदर था, यहाँ पे देयर आर टू मैग्नेट्स. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू कैन सी देम, मस्त. दिस सेकंड माइक्रोफोन इज इनसाइड में. चलो